Hello everyone, in our last episode of Public Speaking series, we talked about what is impromptu speaking. And I must say, for a better understanding of our today's video, I strongly suggest you to watch our previously uploaded videos. List of complete playlist is available in the description box below, and if you want to have in-depth knowledge about public speaking, then you can also enroll yourself in the training program of Master the Art of Public Speaking, or you can visit www.thegonity.com website. Now let's jump to the point and know what the manuscript presentation is. Manuscript presentations are the word-to-word iteration of a written message. In a manuscript presentation, the speaker maintains their attention on the printed page except when using a visual aid. The advantage of reading from a manuscript is the exact repetition of the original words. In some circumstances, this can be extremely important. For example, reading a statement about your organization's legal responsibilities to the customers may require that the original words to be exact. And a manuscript presentation may be an appropriate one for a more formal affair, like a report to the shareholders. When your presentation must be said exactly as written in order to convey the proper emotion or decorum for the situation that is desires and that deserves it. However, there are costs involved in manuscript presentations. First, it is typically an uninteresting way to present. Unless the presenter has rehearsed the reading as a complete performance animated with vocal impressions and their gestures, the presentation tends to be dull otherwise. Keeping one's eyes glued to the script prevents eye contact with the audience. For this kind of straight manuscript presentation to hold audience's attention, the audience must be already interested in the message and representer before the delivery begins. Well, it is worth noticing that professional speakers, actors, news reporters, and even politicians often read from an auto cue device, commonly called as the teleprompters, especially when appearing on the televisions where eye contact with the camera is crucial. And with the practice, a presenter can achieve a conversational tone and give the impression of speaking extemporaneously and maintaining eye contact while using an auto cue device. However, success in this depends on two main factors. And the first one is the presenter is already an accomplished public speaker who has learned to use a conversational tone while delivering a prepared script. And second, the presentation is written in a style that sounds conversational and in spoken rather than written or edited English. Well, apart from this, it also takes a lot of time to prepare the manuscript speeches, and that is why most people do not use it. But if you want, you can use it to some extent, but not completely. And this is all about the manuscript speeches and presentations. Stay tuned with us for the next 7th coming episode on Public Speaking series, that is how you can deliver extemporaneous speeches or the presentations. This is Divya from ThePublicSpeakingAcademy. To get notified, subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon so that you do not miss any upcoming videos. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.